All right, welcome back. Here is the Samsung J730 or the J7 Pro, and this thing looks funny. Like it's not displaying. You can see what's happening. Okay, this is J7 flat, but we want to show you how to open this phone here. So this video is to show you how to open this phone, and then in this next video, which I'll link in the description, I will show you how they replace the screen and basically placing, because already this part of opening is a part of replacing the screen. And let's go right ahead and deal with it. So when you look at this phone, at the back there's no sign of where we can find the screws. That means this one, they designed it with the screws under the screen, and this normally poses extreme difficulty in working with it, assuming you needed to repair anything underneath, because just taking apart the screen in itself is a risk, and as such normally people quote the highest amount of money and also give you the disclaimer that it's done at owner's risk. Now, right now, having my hot plate here, I've set the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius because I need to warm the screen from the sides like that, and then that will soften the adhesive between the screen and the frame. But I'm going to keep it there for only I think 3 minutes, which I need a timer for. Alright, need a timer for, so let me get a timer, which is likely to be my other phone. Okay, timer, where are you? Timer, where are you? But anyway, as the video rolls, please do hit the subscribe button if you're new, and if you're a returning viewer, help me watch the videos a little longer from beginning to end. I am chasing the watch hours, and as such, life will be good if you helped me. Now let me go set the timer, and that is timer. Going to give it, I think let me choose 2 since I've spoken for a while, and let it count down. This is like your second phone.
No, that's actually my auntie's one.
Oh. Always my surgical blade. Alright. Surgical blade is ready for the operation. Okay, I'm going to let the few minutes count down. We are remaining with 1 minute 8 seconds. Okay, the hot plate is now at 100 degrees Celsius. It has been there anyway from the beginning of us placing this phone on there. Okay, this is interesting. Actually compares to this phone. Right here. This is also J730. Alright. F. So the J730 Pro. And it's also here for screen replacement, but I haven't yet bonded it. So I've already acquired the screen. And which was 150. Okay, the timer is gone. I think I may. Okay, now after it has heated that, I can now go with my surgical blade in between the boundary of the corner and the frame. It is hot. I needed to perhaps have used the glove, but all is well, and can see that we're carefully getting between it and the frame. Okay, now here there are sensors for the back and forward arrows. Need to be gentle with this area lest the blade cut them. Okay, it's really hot. Oh, you put it back! Jesus! Yes, I need to get gloves. Wow! I thought my hand could tolerate 100 degrees of heat. Yikes! Not the ones of today, though.
Actually.
There's a hot saucepan of the fire. Okay. Now let me flip it and proceed. I think it has absorbed some more heat. How the connector is usually that end of the screen. Wow. I think I need a second set of blades. Okay. Now this is here. My hand is having a bit of rest from the heat. Okay. Now from there, we can allow this to run along that length there. Okay. Alright, this is now becoming tricky. Please let me turn on the suction. Side tries to stay held down. I try to lift it up. Okay. I'm attempting to tilt this. Right. Okay. Too much heat. More heat. Actually, from that angle, I'm able to see micro cracks on the LCD panel itself, which are invisible to the eye, more so when you're looking through the tinted top glass. Yeah, you can see them. Alright, let's gain some heat and then lift it. So earlier on, you'll notice that the top glass was separating, leaving the LCD down, which is a symptom of a failed AMOLED screen. They're a bit unique from the IPS screens in that their design is very dependent. Okay. I think it's also too hot for life, for the good of life. Okay, Samsung J7 Pro. Cutting through, and adhesive at the bottom of the screen, and that takes us all the way. Now the crack has actually really showed itself. With the tilt, inclination shows. Man, hit it. So we've gotten in between, and you can see the screws right over the edges that you have to take apart. Now to access the screen, you pick out this plastic. It's the one that keeps the screen in its socket, and then this pops out like that, and this is how you open the Samsung J730 Pro. And so let's get ready to acquire a new screen for this. See you in the next video, which is a screen replacement. See you.